Assalamualaikum friends, here is 400 fractal graphics overlay in PNG file. You can edit in mobile phone app, any app, and in Photoshop or use in Corel Draw, Illustrator, anywhere you can use it. Okay, but these files are protected password in this app, right? Sheri SK on Play Store. iPhone user can contact me on my WhatsApp number, and here is my Sheri SK Facebook page. Join this, and last is Sheri SK official Telegram channel. I will provide every video or data, any notification first here. Now I know you can use, I know you are expert, but I open this one, anyone, for example this one. Okay, open in Photoshop. Now we need a photo. Select anyone, for example like this one. Enter, press U and change color. Depend your own choice, you can make more better. Now open any other file. Here is a PNG, so write this, simply drag there, select here and press U for color. Here is okay. Or use it. Background photo is high definition. Or not adjust, so you can adjust more better. Okay, as again these files are protected password in this app. Right, Sheri SK on Play Store. Here is my Telegram channel. Take care, Allah Hafiz.